So you're thinking of doing a short sale in your home. You may be wondering what qualifies you or a person to be able to do a short sale in their home. There are a few things that you should ask yourself. First and foremost is, do you have a hardship? The banks will look for you to write a hardship letter on your situation. It should be very detailed and very sincere, detailing everything that happened, all the events that happened to why you're unable to afford your mortgage. This could be something as loss of income, job loss, death in the family, divorce, any of these options, as well as very unique situations. Even moving, you needed to upgrade, you need to rent, a growing family. Several things would qualify as a hardship. But you do need to prove that at the end of the month, after all your expenses, that you do not have enough money to pay your mortgage. So the hardship letters first. Secondly, are you current on your payments? If you're current, the bank may think that you're able to sustain the payments and keep the property, so they won't be entertaining a short sale unless you can actually prove that somewhere in the near future there is going to be a hardship with loss of income that will make you unable to make your payments. Um, Next thing, the bank is going to require your financials. They're not just going to let you say, hey, I want to do a short sale, I can't afford it, and take your word. So you need to be able to provide 2 years of tax returns and W-2s. They are going to ask for at least 30 days of pay stubs, the most current, and the most current 60 days of bank statements. They will look through this information, so if there are any errors or any misrepresentations between a financial worksheet that you provide and what is going on in your bank statements, they can carefully evaluate if you really are in a financial hardship. Then you'll need to put your home on the market with a short sale expert. I cannot stress how important it is to have someone qualified that has done several short sales and successfully closed them. You need to know how the banks think, how the price the property. You can't just price it super low and hope to get any offer in and think your short sale is going to go through. Every bank is different, and a qualified realtor will know which of these banks, what they're looking for, what the price point is, how they evaluate your home, and what they're willing to take off. No one could give an exact price on how much they're going to take off, but certainly you need someone working in your best interest that has experience in working short sales with your particular mortgage company. Once the home is on the market, the next thing would be to wait for a buyer. One of the hardest things to do is waiting for a qualified buyer to make an offer in your home. Short sales can they can go as fast as 30 days, but I've seen them last as long as a year. There are good and bad case scenarios. Again, that does depend on which lender you have and how many liens. If you have a second mortgage, you'll also need to do a short sale with a second mortgage. If you're not current on your homeowners association dues, they can put a lien on your home that will also need to be negotiated down or as a full payoff. Be very, very careful of water softeners. A lot of these companies, they'll finance it and they'll put a lien on the house without you even knowing, and that needs to be paid off prior to closing, and they would need to be negotiated as well. So having someone that really has a strong negotiating background with the short sales and different type of liens, including even IRS taxes, back child support. These are special cases that you really need someone to be working on your side. But once you have a buyer, you'd submit a complete package into your lender, and then the process waits. They'll wait for a BPO, which this is a broker price opinion. This is where the bank sends a third party out to the home to give their value of market. These banks are not local. They have no idea what our market is like and what your home is worth. So once they know value, then they can determine what price and how much off they're going to take. So if you'd like a free consultation on your home, please give us a call. I'd be happy to help.